Hello.
Hello.
I'm Wildbird Pauley.
I'm Wildbird Pauley.
Yes, I'm going to sing Hurts
Yes, I'm gonna sing Hurt.
So Good. When I was a young boy,
When I was a young boy,
I said, put away those young boy ways.
the way those young boys played,
Now that I'm getting older,
then I'm getting older.
I love all those young boy days
Of all those young boy days,
with a girl like you,
girl like you,
with a girl like you.
with a girl like you.
Lord knows there are things we can do, baby.
Those there are things we can do, baby.
Just me and you.
Me and you,
Come on and make it oh.
make it oh,
I hurt so good.
so good.
Come on, baby, make it hurt so good.
Baby, make it hurt so good.
'Cause sometimes love don't feel like it should.
Love don't feel like it should.
You make it. You make it.
You make it
I hurt so good.
so good,
It hurts so good.
so good.
Come on, baby.
Oh, baby,
Make it hurt so good.
so good.
Sometimes love don't feel like it should. You make it.
Love don't feel like it should. You make
I hurt so good.
it so good.
I ain't talking no big deals.
I ain't talking no big deals.
I ain't made no plans myself.
I'm playing myself.
I ain't talking no high heels, maybe.
Talking no high heels,
Baby,
baby.
we could walk around
Walk around
all day long.
day long.
Walk around all day long.
Walk around all day long.
Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh,
The ladies know how it goes. Ah!
ladies know how to go.
Ladies go, ah, ah, ah. You crack me up, dude.
Crack me up, dude.
Your long beak reminds me of that joke
The beak reminds me of that joke.
about birds and chickens.
Birds and chicken.
Why we don't wear underwear.
We don't wear underwear.
Because our pecker's on our face.
Peckers on our face.
No peckers on your face.
Peckers on your face.
You crack me up, dude.
Yeah, dude.
So, do you know, you seem like you're pretty sharp.
So, do you know, you seem like
You're pretty sharp.
sharp.
Sharper than a marble.
Sharper than a marble.
No, you're brighter than an eclipse.
Oh, you're brighter than an eclipse.
Oh, I love you.
Oh, I love you.
And I love the Utah Jazz.
The Utah Jazz.
Say, go Utah Jazz.
Oh, Utah Jazz.
Beat the Houston Rockets.
The Houston Rockets.
Today. All right, we love you. Happy Sunday, God.
Alright, we love you and happy Sunday, God.
God bless you. Holy shit. Did you see
Bless you.
that?
Holy shit.
You mention God and you fall back.
And God, and you fall back.
Because God is falling for you, man.
God is falling for you.
Have a blessed Sunday.
Have a blessed Sunday.
And may the good Lord bless you.
May the good Lord bless you.
Bye.
Bye.
Please share this with your friends.
Share this with your friends.
Yes, follow and share.
Follow and share.